Today we've got 3 of our Wickets projects from Hull, Manchester and Bradford here at Leeds Beckett University, joining together and unifying through their love of cricket, through Wickets, which is the community programme they all take part in, using the term the unity of the roses. Obviously we all know there's a long rivalry between the red rose and the white rose, so by bringing these young people together we hope to use that old rivalry to actually unite them and learn things about each other's communities. We had some workshops based around understanding social issues that each young person faces within their community. The legwork for that actually started last week in their respective areas, and this morning they all spoke very openly and very bravely about some of the things that are affecting them negatively within their communities, and then coming up with positive solutions as to how they can do that and actually becoming the solutions themselves. So it's all about, for young people, there are a lot of things, a lot of challenges that face young people around the UK today, but the main thing here is that these young people understand that they have somewhere they can go every week, they're part of a wider community and they can be the ones that solve these issues. This afternoon comes into the cricket element of what we do. There's a tournament that's going to happen between the 3 locations, mixing up into different teams so they're not just segregated within their own team, they're actually learning how to work with young people, other people that they haven't worked before, that aren't necessarily from their background, their faith, their religion. So it's, as always, I feel sport is such a great way to do that, to forget about everything else, and for the next couple of hours they'll all have the same goal, which is to try and win cricket matches.
Today we did some workshops and after now we are playing some games with mixed teams. So this is like a festival, not like matches between cities. This is like a festival. So we are all mixing together and playing so we can know new people in the community.
We have people from Bradford, Manchester and Hull to work together as a team to get to know each other a little bit more and how we actually play cricket. And then earlier in the day we was talking about our cities and what happens in our cities.
We've had a rapid growth with the Wickets project over the last 3 years or so, and we're really starting to see that impact with young people that we've been working with for the last 2-3 years. They're becoming leaders, they're becoming role models from where initially they may not have had aspirations to do anything, but that initial little thing that they have with sport has enabled them to blossom into other things as well. These young people are really resilient and actually they really want to make a change. So for us it's just about giving them that first platform where they can understand that they can have aspirations, they can do whatever they want to do.